How to do OnlyFans without showing your face. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go over something that so many of my clients prefer doing, but they don't know exactly how to go about it to make sure that they really remain anonymous and they aren't showing their face on OnlyFans. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe down below, or at least just give the video a thumbs up, as it absolutely helps the channel so I can continue to create as much useful content for you guys as possible. And if you already are into OnlyFans and you are looking to grow your business, reach out to me on Instagram. I have promotional services, coaching services, guaranteed fans promo, social media management, and so much more. My direct link to my Instagram is down below in the video description. Reach out to me so I can help you grow. So now let's get into it. And I'm going to start with the very basic information. But if you've already been verified, you can fast forward a little bit and you do not have to sit through this section. But this is for my people that have not been verified yet, but don't want to show their face on OnlyFans and want to remain anonymous. The number one thing I have to tell you is that even if you do not want to show your face on your page and you want to remain anonymous, you have to verify your identity and your face to get approved on OnlyFans as a content creator. OnlyFans will not leak your information. It's not that if you're verifying your identity and doing the facial recognition that they are now going to post up and blast it on social media that you've been approved and let your family and friends know. This is something you have to do to prove that you are the correct person. And the reason is, and there's two reasons why they do this. Number one, you have to make sure that you are not some type of spammer or scammer on the platform. So be grateful that OnlyFans does this. Number two, you are going to be getting a W-9 form at the end of the year to file your taxes if you've made over $600. OnlyFans is a multi-billion-dollar company at this point. So they are, number one, legitimate, and two, they have to give you tax information if you are earning money on their platform. So regardless if you don't want to show your face and you want to remain anonymous, the verification process, it does not matter. You need to give your license or whatever ID you're using. You have to verify your identity, and you need social media accounts to make sure that you are the person in question. I have a full video for verification. It'll be in the cards and it's on my channel. So if you need a deeper dive into exactly what you should be doing, watch that video. But this is number one on this video because so many of my clients in the beginning are reaching out just for verification help because they can't get verified, not realizing that just because they don't want to show their face doesn't mean that they can remain anonymous to the OnlyFans platform itself. If you want to grow your OnlyFans, the first thing you need to really be doing, though, guys, is sharing your OF link, getting your link out there. So the best way to do that, comment down below your OF link and let's start supporting each other. Let's start growing your OnlyFans accounts right now in this video. Now, after this is choosing exactly how you want to do your content without showing your face. This is the biggest basis once you're finally verified. Now, once you're verified, again, that doesn't mean that your identity is going to be blasted out there. You need to be promoting yourself and your OnlyFans link to even be found. So at this point, your page itself and everything else is not even set up with any of your real pictures. So you shouldn't even worry about that. But this is exactly the best time to decide how you want to go about not showing your face on your page. So there's clients that I have and a lot of models, they go about it in various different ways. The number one thing I will say, and this is a twofold reason why I will say this, please stop getting full body pictures and then just chopping your head off. It looks so aesthetically unappealing, and it's not It's not what it is anymore, okay? We're in 2025 right now. Content matters. The quality of your content matters. And if all of your pictures are just chopped off heads, it's really not appealing. The second factor to this is actually for your safety and for you to keep yourself anonymous. And that is that there is actual software out there that they can pull an image and reverse it back to its original picture, which means what? You just cropping and chopping your head off of every single picture, you still put yourself at risk for being identified. So before you really sit down about what you want to do, please take into consideration that I'll just get pictures of my whole body and then just chop my head off. No. What you are going to do is either one, you are going to wear some type of face covering, or two, you are always going to have your head turned, possibly with your hair covered, or the angle of the camera is not going to get your face in the frame at all, okay? So there is no just chopping a head on, cropping your head out of the pictures, and that's just, okay, that's going to work. It's not. You can end up revealing yourself and it's not cute anymore. So what I recommend, again, you are either going to position the camera in a way where you're only maybe going to get like your chin or like your side ear or something, to where it's not getting your full face, but it's still getting your whole entire body. Or you are going to do a face covering. Now, I give all of my YouTube viewers my Amazon must-have list. And in that list, I have some of my favorite face coverings that I've just used because they're super cute, and ones that I recommend to my clients. And they're just like super cute. They're gems. There's little masks, a whole bunch of stuff, so you can get some ideas. So if you want the list, just reach out to me on Instagram. Again, my Instagram link is below, and let me send you the link, but I will need your email address to send it because it is a file. But that is the best way that you can do OnlyFans without showing your face. You just need to make sure that you're going to understand and really just figure out what's going to work best for you. Now, if you are on a super tight budget and the $20 or $30 right now is not even feasible to get a face covering, you can even just do a face mask, okay? So many of us have face masks lying around the house because, unfortunately, of the COVID days, to where you still have some of those lying around. So just wear a mask and put on some glasses. You don't even have to put on some glasses. I have one client, she just wears a mask and it works. No idea who she is, right? And I have clients that I literally have no idea who they are because they don't want to do video Zoom, and any content they've sent me, they're just wearing a mask. So really, your identity will be hidden, but it's either one or the other. Again, guys, and I cannot emphasize that enough. Another great way that my clients really keep their identity hidden is with wigs. So I actually had asked one of my clients, because I love her wigs. She just does a simple mask, but she still is kind of, I want to say, a little paranoid about making sure that she is not found ever. So she actually bought a few wigs off of Shein, and I had asked her for those. So those are also on the Amazon must-haves list that I told you to hit me up about. But that is an extra measure where a lot of my clients, they are really keeping themselves anonymous, their identity a secret on OF, and that is taking the extra measure of using a wig. So make sure, though, if you are using a wig, that you're going to do that kind of two-step. You're either going to have the face mask as well, or because it's a wig, and you're going to get a lot more volume a lot of the times than your regular normal hair. And it's an extra step. No one knows that you're going to have maybe some pink hair or something like that, right? Or if you have curly hair, get a straight hair wig, right? And you can kind of put the wig across your face like that, where now you can get pictures of yourself where your face is only the profile, but everything else is still viewed. And that is another thing that you really want to make sure you understand correctly, is that your content should be full body content as well. I understand, again, you want to not show your face, but that doesn't mean that all of your pictures should be cropped and chopped. So after that, to take it a step further about remaining anonymous and just not showing your face on OnlyFans. And a lot of my clients, they still are worried about even, let's say, the background of their house or, the background of their bedroom. And they don't even want that in their pictures. And again, this is on the Amazon must-haves list that I give for free to my YouTube viewers and my clients. And that is a backdrop. So there is so many cheap backdrops on Amazon that you can buy for $20 to $25 to where you do not have to, show the background of your images, or let's say if it's in your bedroom or you have something like super specific on your wall that you feel that you would be able to kind of be identified, then that is something else that I always tell my clients is just put something as a backdrop. On Amazon, they have super cheap ones. But again, if you are on a very, very tight budget, what I would recommend and what I've told my clients, and it's worked for them, is basically just taking a super clean, like white sheet or a light colored sheet. You don't want anything too dark because then it kind of withdraws the light that you're going to be having on your content. And then it could just make the content super dark. So I never recommend a super, super dark backdrop unless you have really good lighting to back that up. But again, if you're on a budget, but you want to make sure that you're going to be able to do OF anonymously without showing your face, then you are going to just take a simple white sheet and hang it up behind you. You can pin it to, like, I have a little TV behind me. I would have just hung it over a TV. You can, clip it onto if you have some type of poster, or just thumbtack it straight into your wall. But these are some of the best techniques and tips that you should be doing for you to do OnlyFans without showing your face. After that, excuse me, I just got tongue-tied. After that, you are just going to be running and managing your page as you would. Now, I have one-to-one coaching to really teach you how to do that, like us high-earning models do, to where we make the most money every single day outside of just waiting for subscription prices. But there is so much more content on this actual channel about how you are going to be promoting your OnlyFans and really growing it once you have understood how you are going to really do OnlyFans without showing your face. And that, again, is how you would stay anonymous. After that, it's just about posting your content and setting up your page correctly, which I have tons of videos for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.